this exhibition, we are demonstrating our latest technology in high resolution, 4K fisheye, 12 megapixel multi-lens system, and we are also demonstrating our thermal camera and corrosion-resistant camera targeting the industrial applications. In the high-resolution side, our 4K system actually is using a very large lens in order to demonstrate much higher clarity and details in the images. Starlight performance is becoming a standard feature in most of our cameras, so that customers don't even need to worry about low light situation. In the extreme dark area, we are demonstrating a laser supplementary lighting system which can cover up to 400 meters in radius, which comparing to the older system of infrared is only 200 meters. We are doubling the range and make it easier for perimeter defense solution and also easier for industrial applications to make sense to the customer. In the other direction, in the general small-medium business area, we are showing the customer our analog high-resolution system. We are the first company who come up with a 4 megapixel resolution at real time, so that the same coaxial cable that you use to transmit CVBS system can now transmit 4 megapixel real time with wide dynamic range and starlight performance, which is unavailable to any analog system before. And now you can get anything that you can get from IP, it is available in the analog system as well. Of course, in a situation like a historical building, you used to have coaxial cable already laid. You don't want to pull the cable and that risk damaging the historical structure. Replacing the camera but using the same cable, it's a very smart choice. With our R&D effort, we are pushing towards two dimensions. One is on the optical performance. Bigger sensor, bigger lens that capture more light, so that the picture quality not only measured by resolution, as many of us have experience with single lens reflex camera, higher resolution, more megapixel doesn't equal to better images. So we are driving towards bigger sensor, bigger lens that give people much better visual quality without having to have a bigger hard disk to store all those high resolution but not necessarily more useful images. That's one dimension. On the other dimension, we are trying to fit the camera into different application area, like industrial, thermal camera, thermal plus optical camera in a pair, so that to give our guard a thermal detection capability and also optical verification capability that fit the application area of perimeter defense, cross-country boundary defense, and also in some industrial area, the thermal camera can be used to detect industrial hazardous situation, while the optical camera can use to see whether there are people or human being nearby the hazardous area when the incident happens, so that rescue effort can be deployed more appropriately. So these application-specific cameras are designed that when we visit the customer, we identify a business problem that cannot be solved by the previous generation of technology. And when we see the appropriate technology, we design it with a specific application in mind. We continue to see opportunity to expand the security industry beyond just security area. Nowadays, more cameras are being deployed to improve the operation efficiency of organization and improve the safeness of employees, and also reduce the need to do some repetitive but boring work instead of using a camera to do it in place of human being.